Hey, this is Jenny Jones, the Digital Marketing Tool Shed. What I wanted to do was take you through the new CreatorU, right? So CreatorU has been around, I guess, a little over a year right now, and I got in on when it first launched. I am a SamCart client, but I also work with a lot of other checkout cards, and I use a lot of tools here on this channel. So if this is your first time to this channel and you're wanting to know about different tools and how to implement them into your business, you can definitely click on the subscribe button. I'm going through just so many tools lately, but listen, what I wanted to do was kind of share with you this new overhaul with CreatorU, and it looks like they've invested a lot of money in it. They started out with it and it was a little, I'm not going to say it was clunky at first, but it was a little rigid. That's what I'll say. But now it has a lot more flexibility, a lot more range. So let me kind of walk you through it a little bit. And a lot of people keep asking me, is it worth it? Is it? I think they start you out at, I think you can probably find some deals that they may have out there for, I don't know, $14 to get in. They don't give you all the courses, but at least allows you the opportunity to experience what it is that they're actually doing. I think an actual yearly subscription is about $144 or something like that. And, you know, that's really not that much if you think of it on a monthly basis, but they charge you on an annual basis, which is okay. But what I think you need to understand is you really just want to know, is it even worth $144? And let's just kind of go through and I'll let you make your own determination on that. I'll give you my overall view at the end. Obviously, again, I'm not biased and not in bed with any particular company. I just review all the latest SaaS tools, software as a service products out there. So let's take a look and see what you can do. Before you actually, once you log in, it's going to ask you a little bit about yourself. What is it that you're actually trying to do? Do you run a one-man shop? Do you run an agency, or so on and so forth? Because those are the tools that they're going to recommend for you. And I just basically told them, hey, I'm just trying to grow and scale the current businesses that I have now. So obviously it's going to recommend scaling. It's going to recommend upselling, because I think that was one of the things that I wanted to go through their masterclass and break through that. But the thing about it is, what I like now is once you come in, they have a lot of courses here, definitely way worth the $144. Let's just get that clear and get that out of the way. One class could change your business, right? So now you have come here and you says, hey, you know what? I want to learn a little bit more about Facebook ads, right? So you can say, hey, you know what? What you do is you click in Facebook ads on the search. And what it does is it goes and it pulls you up Facebook Ads Academy, right? Get all these different things, separating your audiences, the perfect ad, how to create amazing ads, targeting tactics, launching your first campaign, right? Two-step scales, right? Just go into that. And so you can just kind of get an idea. And so then what it does is it goes through here. Let me turn this on so you can kind of hear and how they kind of break that down a little bit. So this is the two-step sales model. Is
probably
this is about
who's already spending a lot of money on Facebook.
25 minutes just here to go through that.
$100 a day mark, or maybe doing $1,000 or a couple $1,000s a day. This module hopefully will setting the budget at the campaign level.
So this
which is called budget optimization, when you set your budget.
So to get these types of classes right in one particular place, this is very powerful. He goes through, I've sat in a couple of his classes, does an awesome job, breaks things down, gives you, point A, point B, point C, right? Very, very good. Lots of classes, lots of courses here, case study and all that, and so on and so forth, right? What to do if your ads get denied, right? And you go through all these. So these are just some of the things you can do. So let me go back here. So what if I wanted to know about YouTube, right? A lot of people keep asking me, hey, your YouTube channel. It's like, this is my third channel, man. I figured out kind of a formula. So I'm growing. This is my third channel. I'm just trying to grow it. And so I can actually put out on a whole course on what I did with that. So this is, I put in YouTube, right? And this is how there's 12 lessons in here that you can do YouTube traffic, right? The Family Feud method, I remember he talks about that. There's a charm bracelet. The Family Feud method, just so you'll know, and what I've learned from here, because I didn't know that, is, the top 100 people said, right? And that's when people are searching for something on YouTube. These are things you're not going to get anywhere else. You get simple wins. That's what I'm trying to do even with this channel. Simple win is just getting one more view or one more additional subscriber. Speaking of subscribers, if you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe. They said if you don't get any subscribers, if you don't ask. So I wanted to put that out there as well. So this is just one thing. So let me go back here. So these are recommended for me, right? These are some of the ones that I was working on right here. This is something else that he did. Rocky says, how to get to 100,000 subscribers by creating perfect content every time. And what he's done and what I've decided to adopt is I'm not about quantity, I'm more about quality. So each particular video that I put up, I want to have quality content. So I'm not the first into flight. I don't want to, there's a different type of channel that I want to build. I don't want to build a channel that has the first one with the breaking news, right? Because those are short hit channels. If you build channels with best quantity, you make more money on the back end from the ads because your channel is always relevant. So that's a whole nother strategy. And that's just something I'm trying to do there. This is a new one, unlock magnetic messaging. I remember when they told me that was coming, I got to take a look at that. This is Ad Blitz, right? And so you can go here, you can view all, what is your learning goal, traffic and ads, right? Marketing and sales, launching, right? Launching is very, very good if you're not that good at creating a course or something like that, right? If you don't know what to do, there's different steps here. Start here, CreatorU orientation. They created here, CreatorU, the creator blueprint. This is if you're going to create a digital piece or content for the first time. This is 10 lessons in here. What's the creator blueprint? Filling out your creator blueprint. Creating your value proposition. So if you click on that, like creating your value proposition, so on and so forth, everything in this particular CreatorU, you always have an instructor. You don't, and they most likely you can see their face, right? You know. So let me turn this on so you can kind of hear what's going on here. So this is creating.
All right, and welcome back. We are here to talk about value proposition, right? The creator blueprint, the value of what you have and why without this blank, right? So
to get things like this, right? To get outlines, to get breakouts of different things like this is invaluable. This alone is worth $144. I think that's the cost of this program right now. And I believe they're probably going to raise the price on this because they've added so much value to this. What you can actually get with this is you get this, then you can download the creator blueprint for yourself. You can actually download the creator blueprint. Okay, so you can do these examples of how they put different classes together. Okay, so this is the value proposition, the lift kit, the batter's box, and they go through and they show you how they created all these different courses and ebooks. This is Schoolhouse Rock ebook education. Listen, people, this is the new CreatorU. I am in love with it. I'll be forever a client, definitely for $144. One course in here is worth $144. They're giving you access to, I don't know, it's got to be at least 70 or 80 courses, right? It's got to be at least 70 or 80 courses. I don't know what they added in live coaching. I think they used to do some other type of coaching. Yeah, so there's 23 classes I have here in mind that I unlocked because I was on the original CreatorU live. So there's 23 courses here that they did live, and then there's Tuesday Takeover where they come and they do online course. All the online training that they do, they put everything here compact into one. And Tuesday Takeover, I'll just say this as I kind of wrap this up. Tuesday Takeover is when they break down marketing and sales mishaps, right? So you click on Tuesday Takeover, they're letting you know, they go through and they break down different websites that are online, mostly YouTube videos that are online. So let me turn this back on so you can hear what's going on here. So,
and we are on. What is going on, everybody? It is time for SamCart.
So what they basically do here on Tuesday Takeovers is they go and they look and they evaluate different YouTube channels and show how people can make additional revenue, right? They'll break down and says, hey, this person has merch, this person has a YouTube channel, and they have a free course. What they will then do is show that person how to double and triple their income. That's on Tuesday Takeovers. This alone, Tuesday Takeovers, and just having them all in one composite is massive and is worth every bit of the money that you've put into this. So these are all the different ones. And what they do is they'll go through and look at a YouTube channel or YouTube page or a landing page and show you how that person can make 2 or 3 times the revenue. So this is awesome. I just wanted to share you. So my take on this is CreatorU, it's worth it, right? If you want to see, listen to comments below if you want to see, or you have any other additional questions that you may want to ask me. These are how to supercharge your ads, performing ads, breaking down your ads. A lot of people have questions about breaking down ads. So this is a breakdown of ads as well. So again, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys could like and subscribe if you want to. You can share this video, or you can comment below and let me know what you want to see from this channel. Still trying to grow it. This is my 3rd channel, but this is a channel that I want to have high value content on this channel. I've had another channel where I had to be first to flight and created a lot of short-term revenue through ads, but I want to have one that has long-lasting value. A lot of the things that I do on this channel, you're going to see that it's going to all to do with, what's in your tool shed to grow your business. That's what this channel is about. You guys take care. Be safe out there. Goodbye for now.